Hey there, welcome to Violet's DIY Style. I'm Violet. So welcome to day 10 of 12 days of Christmas DIYs. So today I'm only going to share one DIY with you, and it's pretty simple. It's this candy cane decoration for outdoors or indoors. One of those last minute decorations that you might need for a gathering or something like that. What you're going to need is 2 candy canes and 2 zip ties. Basically, you're going to cross your candy canes. You can put them in different levels, side by side. And then you're going to cross your zip ties right in the center and tighten them together. Then you're going to grab a bell and you're going to use 2 or 3 different colors of shades of gray and also a black. Sponge it onto your bell, and then I'm using my heat gun in between each layer just to dry it up to make sure I like the way it looks or what I want to add. Once it was all nice and dry and I liked the way it looked, I grabbed some silver and sponged that silver onto my bell. That gives it that final touch for the galvanized look that I was going for. Next, I went ahead and grabbed a few different colors of ribbons, and these are the wired ribbons. What I'm doing is, I call it a one-sided bow. Basically, I cut 10-inch strips of ribbon, fold one loop on one side, and just hot glue it. Then I stack them all together. And then I grab any kind of twist tie or ribbon to tighten them all together, and that forms my bow. Then I'm going to grab my bell and I'm going to attach it to the center of my bow. So this is what I call a one-sided bow because basically it just has one side. And then I'm going to attach my bow and bell to the center of my candy canes and just secure it right in the center. And then I'm going to tie some rope around the top of my candy canes in order for me to hang it. So I hope you enjoyed that DIY. So what I'm going to share with you next is just a mini haul of different items that I thought were really cute for stocking stuffers or to put together in a basket for last minute gift ideas. This facial massage is really pretty and good. There's nail polishes, little bath wash, bath bombs. There's so many different items that you can place as stocking stuffers or even in a gift basket. They also have quite an array of different gift bags, gift boxes, all with the Christmas theme. So if you have those last minute gifts that, you ran out of wrapping paper, just go to Dollar Tree. They have so many adorable bags and just different wrapping papers as well. These I saw, and they're like the burlap sacks. They're the mini ones for snacks. I thought those were really cute as well. I also grabbed this Merry Christmas balloon set. They had it in green and in red. So I know we're not going to have a huge gatherings like we typically do for holidays, but I did want to decorate a little bit for my Christmas dinner for just us and my family. They also have these really cute coffee cups and sippy cups that you can choose from and add into your basket or stocking. And this gnome, I was absolutely excited about. It's heavy gnome. It's like a beanbag type style, but it's a pretty large size. So I would highly recommend you grab some of those. Then they also had a lot of toys. I did grab some tablecloths and then these galvanized tins that I hadn't seen in a while. And they have 2 different size buckets. And then they also had all these napkins and tablecloth sets and also the plates. So you can grab these so you don't have to wash dishes for your meals. They also had some adorable doilies as well. So you can go and grab everything you need for your Christmas meal for your little family. They also restocked and have these glass containers that I love for different DIYs as well. And they also had this little chest, a chalkboard that was sideways instead of the normal up and down way. And then I saw this adorable camera frame. And then these stickers. I hadn't seen these kind of stickers. They're the rub-on stickers. Let me know if you guys have used these and do they work really good. I actually picked this one up to see if I can do something on some glass. So stay tuned for that DIY. They also had these really pretty picture frames with beads on them for that boho farmhouse style look that everyone's going for right now, and I absolutely love too. They also had this style candle holder, but in 3 different colors, the frosted, black, and also clear. They also had some ceramic containers. And then I also picked some of these up for spring, which are the candle warmer, or the little wax warmers, but they had bees on them. Then these are some really pretty modern style candles. Then they also had this mat for your dogs. So I really don't buy a lot of things for my puppies here, but I saw that they had gourmet treats, and also some little bones and some dog food, and of course in smaller size bags, but perfect for traveling and stuff like that with your little pets. They also had some storage baskets, that are in your buffalo check, the white and black, and also the red and black, which are really pretty, not just for the holidays, but all year round. I also saw some of these gold wire storage bins for your office or anywhere like that. And then I went into the glass and I saw that they had a lot of different glass containers with lids, which I was really excited about. So they had quite a few different styles, from just the plastic lids to glass to metal tops. They also had these that were in square with the clear lid, which I grabbed some of those. Then they actually had your mason jar style ones too, with different designs. So go pick up some of those, perfect for all that, sugar, coffee stations, hot cocoa stations. Then I saw these red plates that had the whole entire set, coffee cup, mug, soup bowl, and perfect for your tablescape for Christmas. Then I went into the makeup aisle and they had quite a few different e.l.f. and LA Color makeup that I hadn't seen. For instance, this wax pencil. They also had a setting spray. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and little mini haul. If you did, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and share with friends and family. Until next time, you guys stay blessed. Bye.